Is your DJI Osmo Pocket 1, 2, or 3 not charging at all? This usually happens due to battery issues, cable problems, or firmware glitches. In this video, I'll show you how to fix charging problems on your DJI Osmo Pocket. So let's get started. Solution 1. Clean the USB-C port. Dust, lint, or debris can obstruct the connection, so use a soft brush or compressed air to gently clean the port. And make sure the port is not bent or damaged. If this charger still won't work, then try alternative cable. Solution 2. Force restart. Press and hold the power button or record button for 5 to 10 seconds. Release and then try turning on normally. If it powers on, check battery level. If it's low, then plug the charger fast. Solution 3. Firmware update. First, make sure to connect internet on your phone. Then open up the DJI Mimo app on your phone. Then connect the Pocket 3 to the app. If the app detects the camera, if any updates are available, an update will appear on the top of the home page of the app on your phone. Then install the latest firmware update. Sometimes a firmware mismatch can prevent startup, and updating usually fixes the problem. Hope your issue is fixed by now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.